Hello and welcome back to the Predental series. My name is Nick Bankhead and I'm an incoming D1 at the University of Utah School of Dentistry. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to network in dentistry before dental school, or how to network in the dental field before becoming a dentist. In this video, we're going to cover the different factors on networking, such as being involved on campus, shadowing multiple dentists, going to dental school events, go to local dental conferences, and social media, and how all of these things can be utilized in sync to help you expand your current network. So if that interests you, stick around in this video. All right, so the very first thing, being involved on campus. Now, as a pre-dental student, you're going to want to get involved with the other pre-dental students on campus. Now, you may know some from your current science classes, like your general chemistries and biologies. I highly recommend sitting by those students, becoming friends, and start building those friendships early. It can be a great way to help motivate each other, to help push each other, and to help create a positive, uplifting atmosphere within the pre-dental community on campus. Another great way to get involved on campus is by joining your pre-dental club. If your school's pre-dental club. If you're interested in learning how to found and maintain a pre-dental club, I have another video on that on this channel. So make friends on campus who are also pre-dental students and join the pre-dental club. And be involved on campus. The second thing is to shadow multiple dentists. Now, hopefully you have a family dentist or a local dentist that you see twice a year. And if not, go find yourself one. Now, that person's most likely going to be the person that you get a lot of your shadowing hours from, because they're the dentist you're most comfortable with. And that's totally okay. That's great. However, I think it's really good to branch out and to get different perspectives by experiencing the environment in different dental offices. It's also a great way to help build relationships with other dentists in your local area, and they can help mentor you, they can help guide you, and teach you some of the things, the tips and tricks, and different things they learn from their experience as an undergrad, as a dental student, and now as a dentist. So by shadowing multiple dentists, it can be a great way to engage with dentists with different personalities and to help you get your foot in the door on engaging and maintaining friendships with different people from all different backgrounds. The next thing is going to dental school events. Now, if you have a local dental school in your state, you're really lucky. Hopefully it's close by. And if it is, follow their Instagram page or look them up on their website or the university's website and see what kind of events they have going on. Typically, dental schools will have some sort of service event maybe a service event a few times a year, maybe pre-dental days, maybe personal statement workshops. It's all school dependent, so your school might have something I didn't mention. But by going to these dental school events, it's a really good way to meet current dental students at the school, to meet the dentists and the other faculty and staff at the school, and help you get a good feel for if that school is a good fit. And also, it's a great way to start building those relationships with the current faculty that may be on the admissions committee. So that's a really good way to help get your foot in the door and help put a name to your face, or a face to your name, before you put in your application. And that can greatly benefit you in the application cycle. The next thing is to go to local dental conferences. Now, every state has a dental conference. Typically a big event where the local dentists, assistants, the whole dental staff in an office is all invited, and there'll be vendors and different lectures and presentations and workshops and trainings. And I'm from the state of Utah, and here we have it once a year. The Utah Dental Association is who puts it on, and it's every year in February, or it's been in February the past few years. And it's been a great way to get involved in the field of dentistry and meet I didn't personally meet hundreds of dentists, but had the opportunity to meet potentially hundreds of dentists, because they're all in one place. They'll have little name badges or name tags, and it's a great way to expand your network and to get involved. It's also a great place to try on loops, because a lot of the loops vendors like to go to these dental conferences. And if you haven't put on loops before, you can kind of get a feel for what kind of loops you like before dental school, which is pretty cool. The next way is social media. Now, we all use social media. If you don't, honestly, good for you. That's amazing. We all should probably use it less. But social media is a great way to expand your network online, digitally, right? So you can get in touch with dentists in different areas and maybe shadow a dentist in a different location. You can talk to other current dental students or graduated and practicing dentists, or other pre-dental students, and you can get ideas and bounce ideas off of each other. One of the things that I did in my undergrad pre-dental experience that I would highly recommend is following your local universities. So not only the university you attend, but the other universities in your area. Follow their pre-dental club social medias and follow the social media accounts for the local dental schools as well. Typically, they'll post their event information. They'll be giving tips and insight, and it's a great way to expose yourself and to the different events going on, and to see what you might want to get involved in. Now, how can these things help you? How can all these things help you before becoming a dentist? Well, here's just a few examples. By being involved on campus, you're going to make friends, and that's wonderful. By shadowing multiple dentists, it's not only going to give you experience, but it may even potentially set you up for a great job opportunity in the future. Maybe there's a dentist that, in 5 to 10 years is looking to take a back seat in private practice, and he's looking for an up-and-coming dentist to maybe bring on as an associate. Well, if you've been shadowing and you build a great relationship, you're setting yourself up for a great position there and potentially a job offer in the future. By going to dental school events, you're going to be meeting the faculty that potentially may be interviewing you in the future. So it's a great way to not only see if it's a good fit for you in the school, but also to really build those relationships so that maybe on interview day you get a familiar face, which would be a lot easier than a new person, right? The other thing is going to local dental conferences, another great way to expand your shadowing network. And social media is just another great tool. So anyways, yeah, here's how to expand your network before dental school. I hope you have a great rest of your day. See ya.